Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I will guide you to understand the impact of exclude overlapping observations on backtesting results. Exclude overlapping observations refers to the functionality used to restrict the trading frequency during backtesting, ensuring that after each sell trade, multiple buy transactions do not occur within the observation period. Even if multiple buy signals arise within the observation period, the strategy will wait until the observation period concludes before executing the next buy trade. Now, let's move on to the form section. Find the backtest for which you want to set the exclude overlapping observations and click on the Edit Backtest icon to modify the parameters. In the Parameter Settings interface, locate the Exclude Overlapping Observations option. Exclude overlapping observations is not currently checked in the backtest. Next, after checking the Exclude Overlapping Observations option, you can configure the number of trading days for the observation period. Now, let's set it to 5 trading days. Next, click the Run Backtest button to initiate the analysis. Once it's complete, you'll be taken to the Results tab, where the outcomes will be showcased. Let's compare these results with the backtest that didn't enable exclude overlapping observations. These two backtests have the same parameters. Upon closer examination of the summary data, it's evident that when using exclude overlapping observations in the backtest, there are fewer trading occurrences, and the data changes accordingly. Analyzing individual trades, when exclude overlapping observations is set to 5 trading days, there will be a wait of 5 trading days after a sell trade before executing the next buy trade. By enabling the exclude overlapping observations feature, we can control the trading frequency, simulate real trading restrictions, and thus assess and optimize trading strategies more accurately. Therefore, when using exclude overlapping observations, consider your trading objectives and strategy characteristics to make a reasonable selection. Thank you for listening to this tutorial on how to grasp and utilize the exclude overlapping observations feature. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments section of this video.